Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the softest, chewiest white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cookies you've ever tasted. And wait until you see what they look like when they come out of the oven. You're not going to want to miss the end of this. So the very first step for these deliciously yummy white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cookies is the dry ingredients. Pretty simple though. So we've got some flour, and then I've got some baking soda, and I've got some ground cardamom, okay? So we're gonna get all that in here, and we're gonna get this whisked up together. All right, the second step for these amazing cookies is, of course, our wet ingredients, which is our butter, our white sugar, and then our brown sugar. So we're gonna throw these all in the big bowl, and then we're gonna get these all whipped up, which is gonna take a little bit of time because we want them nice and creamy. All right, so we've got the butter and the sugars all creamed up. Now we're going to add in our eggs and our vanilla. All right, and then we're going to get these all whipped up. All right, now it's time to add the dry ingredients in with the wet ingredients. So we're going to get this all mixed up before we add in the very last yummy part. All right. Now to add in the real yumminess. So we're going to put in the rolled oats first. And we're going to get these all mixed together. All right, so now we're going to put in the cranberries and the white chocolate chips. While I'm getting this all stirred up, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. All right, our cookie dough is all ready, but we got to throw it in the refrigerator for about half an hour, but that'll be perfect because I'm going to preheat the oven 350 degrees. All right, so our cookie dough has been in the refrigerator for about half an hour. We've got our oven preheated, so now we are ready to get these cookies formed so we can throw them in the oven. All right, we've got the last one. These are going to be good-sized cookies because you've got to have a good-sized cookie. All right, time to put them in the oven. All right, our white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cookies going in our 350-degree oven. They're going to go in for 13 minutes, and then we'll do our next little step for them. Right, these cookies have been in for 13 minutes, so I'm going to bring them out briefly. They're not quite done, because we're going to add a little bit more cranberries and white chocolate chips to the top before they go back in the oven for another couple minutes. All right, back in the oven for 3 more minutes. All right, our very last step for these yummy white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cookies is the little bit of drizzle that we're going to put along the top. So we're just going to very gently, and that's it. And then we're just going to let the chocolate set, and then it's going to be time to taste one. All right, our amazing white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cookies are done and ready to go. Look at how phenomenal these look. Don't they look beautiful? And I'm hoping that they taste even better, but I know that they already do. Oh my goodness, that's to die for. That's to die for. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. I know I did. I know I'm going to continue enjoying myself later on as I eat cookies. So I can't wait to see you guys next time, okay? Bye.